And every step you make, and every road you take, don't be afraid to follow your dream. For
Patay ka, yung YouTube na naman kita.
Wow!
Yung YouTube na naman kita, patay ka. Yung tatlong ego.
May part 2. May part 2. Dumami na. Dumami na.
Itong iko.
Tuwan-tuwa yung mga service ko, Kuya Jun. Pinanood namin, tawa kami ng tawa ni nanay. Sabi ko, tayo na yun.
Lagi kilala.
Laking, happy birthday!
Oh, thank you!
Narinig. Pre, wag ka naman ganyan. Kumuha na kanin eh. I wave goodbye. Now it seems clear.
Yan ang ano dito. Yung piano. Ito parang pamalapit. Ay, ganun.
The thoughts of me holding you, bringing us near and tell me when will rise me, when can I touch you, when will this wrong and when will I hold you?
Ikaw na naman.
Wala na ito. Paano yun?
Tingnan ko.
I'm bringing you back, took me away.